proactive English practice.
Going to the library. Hi, what are you doing today?
Hi, I'm going to the library. How about you?
Oh, I love the library. Why are you going there?
I want to borrow some books to read.
That's a great idea. What kind of books do you like?
I like mystery books and adventure stories.
Oh, cool. I like fairy tales and picture books.
That sounds fun. Do you go to the library often?
Yes, I go to the library every week.
Wow, that's a lot. I don't go as often, but I should.
Libraries have so many books to choose from. It's like a treasure hunt.
I agree. And it's quiet and peaceful in there.
Yes, it's a good place to read and study. Do you have a library card?
No, not yet. How do I get one?
You can get a library card at the front desk. It's easy.
I'll do that today. Thanks for telling me.
You're welcome. What's your favorite book?
My favorite book is Harry Potter. Have you read it?
Yes, I love Harry Potter too. It's a magical story.
It's the best. I hope I can find it at the library.
Thanks. I can't wait to find some great books to read.
Have a great time and happy reading.
Now or later. Emily, where are you going?
I'm going to the store.
Really? I need to go to the store too.
Would you like to come with me?
Yes, let's go together.
Would you like to go now or later?
Now.
What?
Now would be better.
Okay, let's go.
Should we walk?
No, it's too far. Let's drive.
Buying a shirt. Excuse me.
Hello, sir. May I help you?
Yes. Can I see that shirt on the top shelf, please?
Sure, here it is.
How much does it cost?
$50.
$50. That's too much.
How about the one? It's on sale for only $35.
I don't like that one.
How about the one next to the black gloves? It's very similar to the one you like.
That's nice. How much is it?
$30.
That'll be fine.
Is this color okay? Or would you like a different color?
That blue one's fine.
Do you need any more of these shirts?
Yes.
How many do you want?
I'll take 2 more, a red one and a white one. How have you been?
Hello, Michael.
Hi, Molly.
How have you been?
Not too good?
Why?
I'm sick.
Sorry to hear that.
It's okay. It's not serious.
That's good. How's your wife?
She's good.
Is she in America now?
No, she's not here yet.
Where is she?
She's in Canada with our kids.
I see. I have to go now. Please tell your wife I said hi.
Okay, I'll talk to you later.
I hope you feel better.
Thanks. Vacation to Canada.
What's today's date?
It's July 7th.
When are you going on vacation?
I'm leaving on Sunday. We're going to Canada.
Really? The day after tomorrow? That's very soon.
Yeah, I know.
How long are you going to stay there?
About 2 weeks.
When are you coming back?
I'm coming back on the 21st.
All right. Have a nice trip.
Common questions.
David, do you know how to speak English?
Yes.
Where did you learn?
I learned in college.
You speak really well.
Thank you.
How long have you been in the U.S.?
3 weeks.
Is your wife with you?
Yes. She just got here yesterday.
Have you been to California before?
No, I've never been there.
Have you ever been to Las Vegas?
Yes, I went there once on a business trip. Asking about location.
Excuse me, I'm looking for the Holiday Inn. Do you know where it is?
Sure, it's down this street on the left.
Is it far from here?
No, it's not far.
How far is it?
About 1.5 miles.
How long does it take to get there?
5 minutes or so.
Is it close to the subway station?
Yes, it's very close. The subway station is next to the hotel. You can walk there.
Thanks a lot.
Do you have enough money?
John, what are you going to do today?
I'm going shopping.
What time are you leaving?
I'm going to leave around 4 o'clock.
Will you buy a ham sandwich for me at the store?
Okay?
Do you have enough money?
I'm not sure.
How much do you have?
$25. Do you think that's enough?
That's not very much.
I think it's okay. I also have 2 credit cards.
Let me give you another $10.
Thanks. See you later.
Bye.
Introducing a friend.
Emily, this is my friend, Mr. Davis. Hi, nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too.
Mr. Davis, what do you do for work?
I'm a doctor.
Oh, where do you work?
New York University Hospital in New York City. What do you do?
I'm a teacher.
What do you teach?
I teach English.
Where?
At a high school in New Jersey?
That's nice. How old are you?
I'm 28.